Are you ready now, boys? Or not?
Yes, sir.
So, okay. Now you have got maths exam on Sunday, class 9. So, Mohan from Jaluba Secondary, Mukesh from Herald International, Crystal from Asia Pacific, grade 9 student, right? And Avinash from Fluorescent Secondary School, grade 10 students. Okay, what did you practice?
So this dividend.
Means share wala?
Yes.
Okay. Crystal,
Same.
you're doing. What are you reading?
Science.
Which chapter? The question answers?
Yes, question answers.
Means when is your
Test.
test?
Sunday.
Again,
Yes.
last time there was one,
Yes, that law one test. Now, sorry, given.
means how many questions are given?
See, he has given 30 questions.
30 questions.
Yes.
And then you will ask from there only?
Yes.
Oh, okay. What are the questions? Some questions tell me.
What is it of motor effect difference between AC and DC
Ah,
and other divisions?
okay.
So,
Means from the chapter electricity and magnetism only?
yes. This is our routine of like what we think we need or to say that.
Send of protein. So let me check what is here. This is science, right?
Yes.
916 AC DC magnetic current. 17 motor effect remind emission. Generator hydroelectricity solar energy wind energy. 920 transformer working. And what is it? 21 to 23 some gases. Then hydrocarbon and scientific study. Force motion is 11, 12, 16 to 12, this is the plan, right? So today is 18th. You study generator, hydroelectricity.
So I did that
six
from the
science.
first,
Going on? Okay. And others, means who gave you these questions?
So, science teacher.
He wrote question, he wrote answer.
No, he wrote question report and I
Yeah. How many questions are given?
30.
Now 30 questions are given, out of 30 now you need to do much better, right?
There are, I think, 4 to 5 numericals.
Numericals also. Oh. What are the formulae that can be used to solve the numericals of electricity and magnetism?
That ratio 1,
What are they?
Is it company
V2 by V1 is equal to
V2 by V1 equals to
15?
N2 by N1, right?
Yes.
Some they say like this one, so some what do they write? Vs by Vp equals to Ns by
Oh, secondary one and primary
Means
one.
secondary voltage, primary voltage, number of turns in secondary coil, number of turns in primary coil. This is transformer equation. This one you have to do. Next one like this. I think this chapter contains only one formula, right?
The ratio that is not
Rate of use 6.
So this is the formula to calculate, like if you want to calculate secondary voltage or primary voltage or secondary turns, primary turns, you can do that. For example, there are 500 turns in primary coil.
And if there is given ratio like this one,
No, first I will guide this one some and I will guide this one. Okay. There are 500 turns in primary coil and 1500 turns in secondary coil.
67.
If 220 volt is supplied to each, to the to each,
Rate of given by 6 by rate of given was 6 by.
there are 500 turns in primary coil and secondary turns turns in above transformer, right? Transformer. If 220 volt is supplied to it, then calculate the output voltage. Output
6 by
voltage. Read question once again.
There are 500
Electrons in primary coil and 1500 electrons in secondary coil. In a transformer. In a transformer. If 220 volt is supplied to it, then calculate the output voltage. So solution, what is given? Here, 500 turns in primary coil means number of turns in primary coil. We write NP. You say either N1 or N2. How many are there?
14,000.
5.
And 80.
Number of turns
4,50,000.
in secondary coil.
Hmm.
And S equals to how many are there? 1500. 220 volt is supplied to it, means that is input voltage.
12 per share.
12 into brother.
Voltage, that is
15
BP,
brother.
primary voltage, equals to 220 volt. Output voltage. Output voltage, Vs equals to. We know that. What is the formula? Ps by Vp equals to Ns by Np, right? So what is Bs? We don't
X.
B x is given, right? Then you can write here x Vp is 2020 then N is 1500 by 500. I think these 3 there we can cancel and 5 3 then x equals to 220 times 3. Is it okay? 223 then?
6 there.
But thereby the output voltage is how much?
600.
So this is quite normal one.
Yeah.
I think you got this one out, right? So another question is about ratio, right? Ratio. Shall I write it out?
Yes.
So here you just said ratio. Right? The ratio of number of turns in primary coil. The ratio of number of turns in primary coil and secondary coil is 3:5, right? In a transformer, if it is connected to 20 volt main supply, then calculate the output voltage. Here also output voltage they have asked. What questions is that? More, what is the number? Oh. So, solution. Here, what is this? Ratio of number of turns in primary coil and secondary coil. Number of turns in primary and secondary coil means that is Np by Ns. This is a ratio equals to 3/5. Can you write? Then primary voltage, that is Vp, we can write it, is how much? 20 volt. Then secondary voltage, Vs equals to what? we have, what is the formula? Oh, what is the ratio here? NP by NS equals to 3 by 5 is given, right? If so, our formula,
We still let that ratio in x, no?
you want to write x?
Yeah, 3x by 5x.
No problem. Now tell me, what is the ratio? No,
NP by
NP by
NS is equals to.
NS equals to,
Uh,
the NP by, this is not NP by NS, this is primary, secondary means, that is, oh yeah, then okay. NP by NS equals to BP by BS, is that you also can use. NP is how much? 3x by 5x equals to BP, 20 by BS, or use your strategy here, x, right?
No, there will be 2x. So.
Oh, then y? Y will write here, x you cancel, then y equals to 220 multiplied 5 by 3, calculate. 220 multiplied 5 by 3, where is the calculator? I brought there one calculator, where is it?
Yeah.
सर होइन हामीलाई नेट प्रफिट दिएको छ अनि डिभिडेन्ड पर्सेन्ट दिएको छैन अनि टोटल डिभिडेन्ड दिएको छैन टोटल डिभिडेन्ड दिएको छैन
Net profit is given.
8% of dividend into net profit. The rate like the rate percent of 100.
It came in points, sir.
Okay.
366.69.
त्यो होइन के अरे रेट त्यहाँ
नेट प्रफिट नेट प्रफिट
I will put
रेट पर्सेन्ट अफ 100 into net profit.
रेट पर्सेन्ट अफ हन्ड्रेड
voltage equals to
रेट हुँदाखेरि
त्यो रेट 6% त्यहाँ हुन्छ त सही छैन कुन नम्बर
Is it okay?
Yes.
एक नम्बर
So
360
came in point also.
Yeah, but this reading work you can do later on as well.
No, I will read. There are so many.
Yeah, but read whatever. Later, read. Your question now. One. Number 3. Number 3, I'll give it back. Give them. Yeah, good. In that way, just write up. I don't know. A group of young people.
यस सर डिभिडेन्ड
A group of young people who have returned from the foreign employment have opened an investment company with the idea to improve the economy of all rural people. The company has sold 11 lakh total shares of rupees 100 per share for local residents by issuing ordinary share and started working by collecting capital. It has made a profit of rupees 1 crore in the first year of operation. From the meeting of board of directors of the it has decided to distribute only 1, 2, 3, 60 lakhs as cash dividend to the shareholders. From which amount is the cash dividend? Cash dividend is given from net profit. What is the net profit?
1 crore 1 crore
And the
60% rate by dividend.
profit of 10 lakh? Yes. Yeah, that is 1 crore, right? So that is one. Then net profit. Next one is what percent of cash dividend was distributed is given, right? Okay. Now here we'll find out. You become little bit confused here. Total shares. How many shares are there?
टोटल
Yeah.
टोटल सेयर्स 11 लाख
11 lakh.
यस सर
Total shares equals to
11 लाख
11.
Net
Price of each share
100
is rupees
100
100. What is the net profit?
1 crore
No, net profit equals to rupees 1
crore
crore. Now, dividend, how much are they going to divide?
cash dividend is
Yes.
60,000 60 lakh
It is 60 rupees. What is here? It is 60 lakh.
lakh
They earn 1 crore profit, but they are distributing how much? 60 lakhs. So dividend percent. dividend percent equals to cash dividend
minus
divided by net profit
multiply 100%.
multiplied by 100%. There you go. They are not distributing all 1 crore rupees. So now cash dividend 60,000 lakhs by net profit is 1
अब के बजे
crore
टोटल डिविडेन्ड है ना टोटल
multiplied by 100%. How much percent does it come?
0.6.
I think you find out 1 crore 60 lakhs.
Oh, I tried
How much came?
already.
And it came.
Yes.
Now others can you do?
Yes.
You good. But the dog will pass through. But our discussion going on in practicing.
फॉरवर्ड से त्यही फॉरवर्ड से डिविडेन्ड हो अनि टोटल नम्बर अफ शेयर
Yes.
total number of shares
यो नेट प्रॉफिट हो यस यो टोटल नम्बर अफ शेयर्स अहिले अहिले
total number of shares
ए यो त लास्ट शेयर
They are discussing and after solving. That's great.
What is meant by this polarity?
Polarity means the direction. Polarity direction. For example, we have done about AC and DC, no? So if AC means C,
DC means straight, yes?
straight is good. If it goes in one direction only, it has no polarity. But you see, it is changing. If you're going in one direction only, but here change the polarity. Sometimes up, down, up, down, up, down. So that is polarity. And sometimes they react. The frequency of the current supplied in Kathmandu is how much? 50 Hz, right? So that means it changes. The current changes its polarity 100 times in a second. 100 times in a second means 50 times up, 50 times down.
Yes.
Okay.
And if there is straight, then it is
No, no, it has no polarity.
Oh, no
So no frequency.
And horse?
No, Hertz is different. That is the unit of frequency.
हामीले बुझ्यौँ टोटल नम्बर अफ शेयर
50 Hertz given there, no?
त्यस्तो क्वेसन मिलाइरहेको
How the voltage of the AC can be changed by that?
यसको राउन्ड
Transformer. No, transformer has got unequal number of turns in primary coil and secondary coil.
यो नम्बर अफ टुटल शेयर
Because of that, if number of turns are more in secondary coil, increases the voltage. If less, then decreases the voltage. Number of turns are not made equal. More or less. More means it has the ability to increase the voltage, less decrease the voltage. Why it increasing? Because when the electricity passes, it becomes magnet. And magnets also polarity changes, pole changes. Sometimes positive charge, it means north pole, sometimes south pole. Like this. Here we have to know, this is the minor diagram of transformer. If it is done like that, that means it's input voltage. So what type of transformer is this?
I think this is our
Step up transformer.
A step up.
Because number of turns are more. So in this case, when the current flows through it, it becomes, this inner part becomes magnet. Okay? And that magnet is, magnetic field is caught by this wire, current is produced. How much fast they cut? That much
हाम्रो फर्स्ट
they will be. So you have discussed last time, no? Magnetic
एन्ड
magnetic effect.
flux.
ट्रम
Magnetic flux. Magnetic means
कति छ
the tendency of electricity to change from electricity to magnet. Heating effect, electricity to heat.
T1
in that
T2
way.
निकाल्नु मात्र हुन्छ अब T1 भनेको
One thing what you can
के हुन्छ यो थाहा होला हैन T1
Practice.
भनेको नि हुन्छ now we know common difference
Good idea, yeah. So if you write together and practice, that will be better, right?
यो common difference निकाल्दा हामीले T2 by T1 भन्नुपर्छ यो मुनिकोले माथि गर्नुपर्छ अवश्य दुईटा छ
I
हाम्रो
think you are already motor effect.
T2 by
Motor effect is very simple. Suppose
and this equals to
this is a
7
magnet
What
is this?
Magnet.
and one
Now 4 to 7
Wire.
minus 3 goes
oh, look at here when wire is
common ratio पनि
continuously
निकाल्ने
close here at the time this wire may vibrate.
कमन रेशियो भनेको चाहिँ यो गर्ने
Conductor vibrates, that
difference
vibration of
भनेको
conductor
चाहिँ
is
T2
called
minus T1 गर्ने
motor
7 minus 3 is equals to
like
ratio
washing
you
machine,
get
we have got washing machine here. Next I can take a next hair dryer one.
Automatic
Something like that.
Oh,
Same
yes.
हुन्छ
And then
Same
which
as-
cuts our beard
2 by
and
4
mustache. Streamer is there.
अनि difference
So that is also based on
How to find how much
Ultimate
is
is
profit
China
and
common ratio
no charges.
number C, sir.
Number C, same question number C.
How do difference between automatic and geometric sequence like how
Yeah, very easy.
there is common ratio and common
The common difference also,
How
just
to identify?
identify, okay. For example, if Avinash Vidro, so to identify matter is very simple, Babu. Like data is given. My monthly salary is, this is January, right? In January, my monthly salary is 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
1 10, 100,000, lakh, 10 lakh, become more.
No sir, no problem.
1 lakh. January I want how much? 1 lakh.
1 lakh.
Now in February I want how much?
2 lakh.
2 lakh. March I want
3 lakh. 4 lakh.
4 lakh. Next one how much?
8 lakh.
See 1, 2, 4, 8, 16. Going up or down?
Automatic.
In multiplication. If it is going in multiplication pattern,
Sequence.
that is geometric sequence. Then I want 1 lakh. Next time 1,50,000. Then next one 2 lakh. Then 2,50,000 means increasing is in like adding, no? Then that is
Automatic
arithmetic sequence.
means
If addition or subtraction, arithmetic sequence. If multiplication or division, that is
oh,
geometric
if multiplication and
division also. Divide why not? Like one sequence is there. 2, 1 by 2, 1 by 4, 1 by 8, 1 by 16. See, is it in decreasing in same way order or not?
Yes.
This is geometric sequence. Or 3, 9, 27, 81, 243. Multiplying in the same pattern or not?
Yes.
Geometric one. So if there is 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, what is it? Arithmetic, adding, no?
Addition, subtraction, automatic.
Addition, subtraction, arithmetic, multiplication, division, geometry.
And in arithmetic, we need to use what common ratio or
Yeah,
common
in arithmetic, okay, arithmetic sequence, there is common difference. What is there?
Common difference.
Common difference means D equals to T2 minus T1. Second term minus first term. Or third term minus second term.
In arithmetic,
It's minus, why I said minus and right here. T2 minus T1 or T3 minus T2. If minus is done, that is arithmetic sequence. But in geometric sequence, there will be common ratio. What do you call
T2
it?
by T1.
R equals to your T2 by T1. Isn't it? This is
In arithmetic series, common difference, T1 to T2 minus T1.
the minus T1, they are divided.
Okay, thank you.
Your question? Number C. Same question number C. Oh, okay.
Common difference required.
If the company made a profit of
This is 39, find it.
1, 10, 100, 1,000, 10,000 lakh.
A number of
15 lakh.
A number of
Right.
series for the other
15
39.
lakh.
15 lakh.
G and
How much? 50 crore.
N plus N minus
50
1.
crore.
1, 10, 100,
Or this is 0. Yeah,
1 crore 50 lakhs.
3.
1 crore 50 lakhs. How much amount will Samjana get if she bought 15% salary at the same rate is given?
Sir, 15,000 given there. Not
Sir?
15,000.
Right?
15,000 given there.
15,000. So okay, now we'll just take it 1 second here.
And
What is the net profit?
net profit is
Net profit
1 crore or the
rupees 1 crore
50,000.
50 lakhs.
50
Not
lakhs.
1 crore 50 lakhs, right? But cash dividend,
Cash dividend is 60 lakh.
cash dividend, no 60 lakh answer. Now, 60% is distributed, no? When there was 1 crore, 60% were distributed. When there was 1 crore 50 lakhs, then 60% of
1 crore 50
1 crore 50 lakhs. 60, find out Babu, how much does it come? 2020. Can you multiply 60 and 150,000? 15 6 are 90.
90 lakh.
90.
Lakh.
See, how much is distributed?
90 lakhs.
Okay. Total shares are how many there?
11,000.
Okay. Now
11 lakhs total share.
cash dividend. Now look at it also. Dividend received by Samdana. How many shares NC got?
She got 15,000.
15,000 shares.
Both. She bound.
She bought, yeah, she has got 15,000 shares. 15,000 shares. Total how many shares are there?
Total shares are 11 lakhs.
11.
Lakhs.
I give equal.
Multiply, how much is distributed?
90.
Okay, also
90 lakhs.
Yes.
So our share divided by total share
11,000.
divided by 90.
What is it?
Done?
What is it? 11 lakhs.
15,000 divided by 11 lakh multiplied by
And me minus
90
by n and s. Probability of 80.
1, 2, 2, 7, 1, 2, 2, 7, 2, 7, 5, 2, 7, 2,
Yeah, 1, 2, 2, 7, 2, 7.27, right? So like this, 1, 2, 2, 7, 2, 7.27. Recurring. This is the answer.
Yes, sir.
Got the idea? Yeah. Share. So yesterday, no, 5 days ago, I filled for share, and there was distribution today, but I didn't get share. That is called IPO, initial public offering. Sometimes we make it, sometimes we don't. Isn't it?
Which one?
No, nowadays there is a Reliance spelling
So
bills or
the
something.
formula of arithmetic is a plus n minus 1 by
Yeah, yeah,
Geometric is r.
Good, good.
We expect.
Good. What are the family? By the way, can solve. Some, they are asking the question. Very easy. Arithmetic series, AS. Mainly you have to remember 3 formulas. How many?
Yeah,
One is arithmetic mean, then Tn and Sn. Arithmetic mean is A plus B by 2. First term plus second term by 2. Arithmetic. Tn, A plus n minus 1 D n minus 1. Sn means sum. What is the formula? N by 2, 2a plus n minus 1. These 3 formula, remember, right? Arithmetic mean equals to a plus b by 2, first term plus second term by 2. Tn is a plus n minus 1 by d. A is first term, n number of terms, and d is term difference. Sn is n by 2, 2a plus n minus 1 d.
In book there is geometric a r n minus.
No. Arithmetic sequence.
Of arithmetic.
Arithmetic 3. In arithmetic, there are 3 formulae.
Sir, but there's.
This is sum.
These haven't taught us that last.
Why not? This is why not? John, but you forgot.
No.
Not done?
They're not done.
I think that is in our.
In copy there is also not.
Means only the tier are given.
Yeah.
Given to this, remember the right? Now, geometric sequence. What is our problem?
Geometry.
Geometric mean. Geometric mean means root AB. Here, a plus b by 2. Here, root AB. Then Tn. A R n minus 1. A R n minus. No, A R n minus 1, this one only.
A r n minus 1, not that.
A R
And
n minus 1.
Oh, I was.
This methodology, right? Yes and not done.
Yeah,
So
no,
now we know it.
this will happen with taught that T1 and T1.
Then this is cancelled. This is cancelled. What happened? Okay. Will you solve now?
Yes, sir. If you can solve that.
More any problem?
So much talented.
Good. They are discussing and doing, right? Yeah. Which set are you doing, Babu?
This maybe 9.
Yeah. When you enter here, practice, eh? That's your piece.
So tomorrow at what time?
6 o'clock. Around.
6 o'clock?
Yeah.
Let's come a bit early, right?
A bit early.
Early?
No, no.
This is
Early is okay, but if I am not present here, then what's to do?
Yeah.
How can only said you come, waste time, no? If you stay at home, then you practice. No? But if you come at that, okay, after coming here, you practice, then come back 2 o'clock.
At what time you will come, sir?
No, tomorrow I have got one party, I have to attend one party. After 2:30 I will go. And it may take near about 2-3 hours. That's why I just said to come here by 6 o'clock. It will be easy, no? But if you come early, then just come, you stay and practice, but don't talk unnecessarily. Inside this room, no distraction. Practice. Yeah, so okay. Yeah, okay, just come and just practice. But don't talk. Neta is here, I go to read. Oh, you tell me, what is it read?
I am reading this.
Tell.
Ordering current as frequency, direct current doesn't have frequency, ordering current as polarity,
Alternating.
alternating current as polarity, and direct current doesn't have polarity. त्यसपछि alternating current alternating current can be changed by the transformer. Direct current cannot be changed by the transformer.
Three definition different. Okay, yeah, continue. Look.
त्यो गर्दा नि चाहिँ राइट हुन्छ तर G first term number of electrons equals to 6.